The government has officially opened the 2025 National Cybersecurity Conference and first a technical colloquium, an event bringing together leading experts, policymakers, technology practitioners, and international partners to enhance collaboration in strengthening the country's digital ecosystem. Speaking during the opening, Principal Secretary in the State Department for Broadcasting and Telecommunications, Stephen Isaboke, reaffirmed the government's commitment to protecting Kenya's digital infrastructure as the nation accelerates its transition towards a digitally empowered economy.
Kenya is actually totally switched into a digital economy. So the number of touch points, the users of sort of digital platforms across the country, from government services such as e-citizen to basically education to health, everything is gone digital. And with all those touch points and platforms, then it opens our space actually for attack. And hence the reason why we're actually building capacity both at the Communications Authority, at NC4, and in fact collaborating with people like the British government to ensure that we've got the very best sort of setups to deter these sort of things.